सुपात हर बर्थडेज पे नॉर्मली भी, बट आई थिंक बर्थडेज पे आपको बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स वैसे भी मिलते हैं.
Correct.
सो वो फैंस जो गिफ्ट्स भेजते हैं, आपने रिसेंटली रिक्वेस्ट किया कि लोगों की मदद करे, तो उनके लिए कुछ मैसेज देते हुए हम गिफ्ट सेगमेंट स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Well, to be honest, I just love, of course, who doesn't love the idea of receiving gifts and love from so many people, so many fans. In fact, you guys have been my extended family by sending so much of love always. But this time, unfortunately, I'm really tired and I've been traveling back to back, and now I have to get ready and go out to spend some time with my close friends. So please excuse me. And this time, I won't be able to like properly open up your gifts, but yes, I'll be able to receive them and also be able to thank you guys. But apart from that, I'm really sorry to not give enough attention right now, but yes, later on once I get time, I'll be able to open it peacefully.
Good. So first of all, this is sent by Priyanka.
So sweet. Oh my god.
Choose
It's
happiness.
huge. Choose happiness.
Yeah.
प्रियंका, आपने जितना बड़ा फ्रेम भेजा है उतना बड़ा मुझे एक घर भी दे देना इसे रखने के लिए. Thank you so much, Priyanka.
Okay, this is from Yogita, Andhra Pradesh. उन्होंने भेजा.
Okay, Yogita. Hi. Thank you, Yogita. Thank you so much for sending this huge frame. Suman.
Yeah.
Okay. Suman, hi Suman. Thank you so much. I received your gift. Thank you. I'll open it later on. Okay, this is from Rashmi. Rashmi, I have received a photo frame. It's very nice. I'm hot. I don't know who this guy is. But yeah. But anyway, thank you so much. I'll read it out. Hi Pooja, thank you so much for sending this love across. Marvel stuff I can see. And I will read out your letter later on. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's see. This is अभी इसमें तो नाम नहीं है. Okay, so a lot many people have come together. This is Hani, Laiba, Vrushi, Zara, and Zippy. Cute names, and thank you so much for getting together and spending so much of time for me. And yes, send this love across. Thank you so much. Cheers, I appreciate
He's a
it.
bit different person. That's what I'm saying. हाँ.
That's what I took their names now.
अच्छा.
Hani, Laiba,
No.
Vrushi, Zara,
इसमें
and Zippy.
अलग है. That's what I'm saying.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
इसमें भी अलग है.
I think so.
So this is from
Same few people.
lots of love from Annie. Annie, thank you so much, Annie, for sending this love across. It's a watch. चल रही है इतनी काफ़ी. But kidding. Thank you so much. Oh, this is wonderful. I will definitely open this later on. But yeah, thank you so much. This is from Annie as well. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you, Annie. Okay, thank you so much, Sutaba, Yogita, Saru, Ridhima, for sending candles and some cookies. Thank you so much. I will open this out later. Okay, hi Palmi, Kolkata. Okay, I don't know whether you've sent gifts before, but yeah, thank you so much for sending a love across.
This one.
Thank you, Palmi. This is sending some King P from Karishma Mitali Ahona or Abhona. I don't know, but I guess I'm trying to pick your name. Your handwriting is not clear. Sorry, but yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, this is from Bhumi Gupta, Delhi. Thank you, Bhumi, for sending this, and I will open this out later on. It looks very interesting. Thank you, Bhumi, from Delhi. This is from Mridula, Kanpur. कानपुर से थैंक यू जी आपकी वॉच के लिए, आपके फ़ोटो फ्रेम के लिए. हम बाद में इसको ज़रूर खोलेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मृदुला. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ oh, this is very interesting. Thank you so much. You made it very nicely. This is from Adisha Benis from Bangalore. Hi Adisha, thank you. Hey, thank you so much for sending this lovely photo frame. This is from Pooja Sharma, Rajkot, Chhattisgarh. Thank you so much for sending this. I don't know what it is, but I'll definitely open this up. Thank you so much. Creative 3D visualization lamp. And then creative 3D shoes. Then creative 3D card.
These are sent by different people. Huh?
Yeah. So this is sent by Arno Majumdar from Kolkata. Thank you, Arno. Thank you so much. This is from Ritu Asthana from Mumbai. Thank you for sending some crazy shoes. Thank you. Spandana Raj. Thank you so much. You've sent this birthday wishes letter and I'll read it out personally. Sorry for the rush. This has been sent by VK. Have a happy birthday. Have a birthday. It's amazing. This also the same? No. Okay.
No, I did same. It's
Same?
Yeah.
VK. I don't know what VK stands for, but I guess you want to keep your name as secret. So yeah, thank you so much for sending this. Oh, this looks lovely. Handmade. And this is from Annie. Annie, you've sent different gifts. Thank you so much for sending so much of love. Yeah. Beautiful. Love you. This is from Shrina. Thank you so much. This looks very creative, and also your face next to me. Thank you so much, Shrina. Cute. This has been sent from Twinkle Sharma. Thank you, Twinkle. Thank you for sending this pen across. Very happy birthday to you. Thank you. God bless you.
This was yeah. I think the person name is here.
Okay. Thank you, Paridhi Yadav, for sending the t-shirts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending your clothes. New clothes for me. Paridhi, thank you. I will read out this letter personally. One second. Thank you, Riddhi Janeja. I have received your soft toy and a t-shirt, I guess, suppose. But I have written this personally. So, okay. So this has been sent by Payal. Thank you so much. Hope you like the gift and the donation drive done. Yes, I love that you guys have taken so much of efforts to in fact donate and also work for the orphanage. Thank you so much. I've been grateful to you guys, and it gives me immense happiness that you guys have done so much for me. Harshada and Preeti, thank you so much. You've sent me photo frames of Maldives and Switzerland. Thank you. This has been sent by Riddhi and by Sonal from Gurgaon. Thank you so much. आपकी फोटो फ्रेम्स में मिल चुके हैं, हम इसको और जल्द खोलेंगे. Okay, so your birthday cake is waiting. Happy birthday. Okay, this will be We Will Always Love You from Parthians. Sending you some pictures available online. Okay, SLV. Okay, I don't know what SLV stands for, but yeah, this looks interesting. I will try this out later on. But thank you, SLV, for sending this love across. Hi Rekha from Kerala. I will open this out. It looks very interesting. Okay, and I can use this in fact. Thank you, Rekha from Kerala. Okay, Kinjal, thank you so much for sending so much of love across, and thank you for being so sweet. I will open this out later on. Okay, I'm sure. I'm just in a rush. I'm too tired, unfortunately. Okay, Aisha and Rutvi, I sent by surprise wrap. Thank you so much. Thank you, both of you. Thank you, cuties, and I will definitely open this and read it together. Thank you. This, okay, thank you. This has been Parth Obsessed. Okay, but I don't see your name, I just see Parth Obsessed, so I guess I will read this personally once I get time. Oh, this is Sania here. I'm 16 years old. So sweet of you, Sania. You're such a cutie. Thank you so much for making these imprints, and I will definitely read this out. Next up is Annie again. Annie, why have you sent so many stuff? It's okay. Only a letter is fine for me. Thank you. This is from Paulmi Sarkar. I think I know you from Kolkata, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, you've been sending so much of love all these many years. Thank you for being there always for me. Thank you. Okay, next up is by Divya, and I guess this is a photo frame behind. Yes, and a card. I will read this once I get time. Thank you, Divya. Okay, next up is from Annie again. Annie, you've done tremendous amount of efforts. So sweet, yeah, so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Khushbu from London. Well, you've sent. Very nice. Yes, very creatively made. So thank you for sending this love across, and I truly appreciate it. and I will definitely open this up. Thank you for supporting me, Khushbu. Okay, your name is Bhairavi. Bhairavi, thank you so much, and you have definitely worked really hard. Tremendous amount of efforts it takes to make all this, and it's damn nice, damn interesting. Thank you for making my portfolio. Thank you so much. Making my birthday special. Thank you, Bhairavi.
Now handle this carefully. This has been broken, but just
Okay.
address it Surabhi.
This is
yeah.
unfortunately broken because like this fragile stuff are not supposed to be sent, made up of glass. But yeah, Surbhi, Bishnoi, unfortunately, I guess you sent a photo frame, but I'll open it later on. This has pieces of glass in it, so I won't open it right now. Okay, hi Purvi. Again, this has been broken. I guess this has pieces of glasses on a photo frame. So thank you so much, Purvi. Unfortunately, it's broken, but I'll definitely open it later on. Please don't send fragile stuff made up of glass, photo frames, because it breaks my heart to see that whatever efforts you've taken, it just breaks. Maha from Saudi Arabia. That's very international and very interesting when you get to know that yes, you get so much of love from abroad and from even from Arab countries. So thank you. I really appreciate that. And शुक्रिया यही कहना चाहूँगा मैं and अल्लाह करे आपको बहुत सारी दुआएं मिली मेरा प्यार मिले और हम जल्द मुलाकात करें. Thank you.
Let me send a one person only. I'm giving you one.
Okay. So this Marvel T-shirt has been sent and alongside. Okay.
But
Thank
the
you so
t-shirts
much.
have been sent by VK.
VK. Okay. Thank you VK being so secretive. Again. And this is from Rachna, Bangalore. Thank you, Rachna. I will read this letter. The greeting I'll send you excite you. Thank you so much. Yes. Wow, you've taken a lot of efforts, it seems, and I will definitely watch this. Thank you, Rachna. Thank you so much. And thank you, VK. Oh yes, Pooja, you've already sent something else, and now you sent this, so it looks very interesting. You sent so many photo frames, and my God, you guys take a lot of efforts to make all this. Thank you so much. That I will definitely see this very soon once I get time. Bhumi Gupta. Thank you, Bhumi. I guess this is broken, but yes, I'll fix this. Don't worry about that. From Delhi. Thank you so much for sending this. Okay. This is okay. I guess the letter you haven't sent or something of that sort. But yes, thank you whoever has sent this. The bottle. This looks interesting. Got it. This has been sent from Anjali, Hyderabad. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday, beautiful birthday. Thank you so much for sending clothes and new clothes and a book. Thank you. I'll open this later on. And Anjali. Okay, I guess your name is inside, but it's too much of a package and too much of packing to do. But yeah, I'll unpack it and thank you so much. I received your gift, whoever has sent this. Okay. Okay, again, this is one more frame which is broken. Like I said, that it is very fragile. You shouldn't be sending pieces, glass pieces and all. It breaks and it doesn't look nice. But yeah, whoever has sent this, thank you so much. Thank you for sending this. Much needed. Okay, I will open this later on. But whoever has sent this, thank you so much for sending a lot. Teddy bear. Okay, this has been sent from Priyanka Solapur. Thank you, धन्यवाद हे पाठवण्यासाठी आणि मी लवकर हे उघडेल मला टाइम भेटेल.
So yeah, I think we are done with the gifts. So yeah. Okay, so anything to the fans, I've sent the gifts and anything for the fans.
Well, I'm actually short of words and I don't know how to say it, but unfortunately I feel very sorry that I wasn't able to open it and see it very specifically. But yes, I will make sure I make time and I see it because I'm really tired. I'm not able to. But yeah, apart from that, thank you so much. You have spent so much of love and so much of time and effort, and trust me, like every year I keep telling you guys that इतना आपने अगर बॉयफ्रेंड या किसी कर चुके होते तो वक्त तक आपको शादी करके सेटल हो चुके होते आप. But yeah, on the contrary, I feel obliged and I feel great, and I'm grateful to you guys that you guys always send your love across. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and stay blessed and spread happiness like you guys have always been doing. Hi, my name is Par Samtan, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.